where we sing and play and learn new things each day. Hi, hello.
Hi, my dear students. Welcome back to our educational channel. Dear students, today I am going to start this session with another poem from your textbook, that is Things to Throw and Catch. Unit 4, Poem 4, Things to Throw and Catch. This poem was written by Colin West. The poet of this poem is Colin West. Then, so in this video, we are going to study reading the poem, new words, explanation, and theme of the poem. So here in the beginning of this video, here you can see meaning of new words. Measles. So first one, measles, it means an infection disease where one suffer from fever and red rashes. It mostly occurs in childhood. So it is a one of the disease like a spots, black color spots on your body. Have you observed? It occurs in childhood or maybe when you are grown up. But it's definitely occurs, measles. Like it is called in Kannada Dadar and also chicken pox, like is it? Tantrum, an uncontrolled outburst of anger. It is tantrum is to throw the anger, means shouting on your face. It is expressing the anger, angriness on your face. Things, it means items, stuffs, objects. And throw means eject, give, make, organize. So here the word giving the many meanings in the different situation. So throw means here throw the party, party means organize the party, and throw means giving anything. Is it? Eject means come from the out. Is it? Next, catch. Catch means take, capture, view, watch, seize. So here catch also giving the so many meanings. Here take, catch means take, hold, also hold, capture, focus, view, and watch, and also seize. So now without further delay, let's get started. Here it is our poem, Things to Throw and Catch. Unit 4, Things to Throw and Catch. So I will read the poem. You listen carefully, children. Okay, let's start reading. Think of things. Think of things that you can throw. A stone, a pot, a party. Think of things. Think of things that you can catch. A ball, a fish, the measles. Next, a few more things. A few more things that you can throw. Your voice, a look, a tantrum. A few more things that you can catch. A buzz, your breath, a movie. There is a lots of things to throw and catch. Good luck your whole life through with all the things in life you catch and all life throws at you. Written by Colin West. So this is a very nice poem it is. So you in life you will get many things, lots of things. Is it about this poem is about the things which you will get in your life. Is it? Now I am going to sing this poem with showing the pictures. Look at here. Think of things that you can throw a stone upon a party, a stone upon a party. Think of things that you can catch a ball of fish, the measles, a ball of fish, the measles. A few more things that you can throw. Your voice a look, a tantrum. Your voice a look, a tantrum. A few more things that you can catch. A buzz, your breath, a movie. A buzz, a breath, a movie. There is a lots of things to throw and catch. Good luck, your whole life through, with all the things in life you catch, and all life throws at you. Think of things, there is a lot of things to throw and catch. Good luck, your whole life through. Wow, very nice poem it is. Have you enjoyed it? Of course. You too recite this poem by singing. Dear children, this poem is about the things which will give the value of our life. Is it? So, I will start to explaining this poem. So, first stanza. In the first stanza, think of things that you can throw a stone upon a party. So, in our life, we will throw a few things. So, before you can throw, you can think of that things. It is the useful or unuseful. Is it? A stone. When we will throw the stone, what will be happen? It will be trouble on other. Is it? A pot, it will be miss that using of that pot. Is it? It become useless when you will throw the pot, because it was broken. When it was broken, you can't use that. So each things are valuable. You can think about them before throwing those things. Is it? A party? Throw the party means organize the party. When you organize the party, so before you think that, because you plan it. Without planning, you organize the party, any function, it will be useless. Is it? So here the poet Colin West is giving the importance of the things which we are throwing in our life. Is it? So I hope you understood this. Next paragraph. Think of things that you can catch. A ball, a fish, the measles. So here the measles, it means infection. It is the measles virus. It will be come from other. So you will catch you will get the virus. Attack will be virus when anybody suffering from that disease. If you are near in that person, you will be catch that measles. So that in the school, when you will getting the disease like this disease, you do not come to school. You can take this rest, because it will be spread on your friends. Is it? A ball, a fish. So think of things that you can catch. A ball, a fish, because the fish, when you will catch the fish, As you know that fish will be not live without water, is it? When you will catch, it will be die. So think of those things you will catch in your life, is it? Next paragraph. A few more things that you can throw: revise, a look, a tantrum. So few more things are there, only you can throw those, not will get. It means your wise means here, imitating others, is it? To imitate, to speaking to others something, is it? Bad words like a look means a look, don't throw the bad looks like, is it? A tantrum, and before you getting angry, think about that. Without thinking, you don't become angry, you don't outburst the angry. You should be control your angriness. A look and your expression on your face, that is also important. Before looking others, looking something, you should be careful. It will be good or bad in look also, is it? Bad expression and good expression also there. So think before you can throw, means you can show. Before you can think about by showing your voice, your look, your tantrum. Next, a few more things that you can catch: a bus, your breath, a movie. So here catch means while going bus, think before you catch, means if you come on time, you will get the bus. You become delay, you can't catch the bus, is it? So while catching, while moving the bus, you should not be catch, because it will be accident, will be happened accidents, is it? While moving the bus, you want to get into the bus, it will be dangerous, is it? So think about before catching the bus, is it? Your breath. So here breath, when you become tired and while running, while doing something you are tired, you will catch the breath, means you are breathing in, is it? So that is called your breath, means taking the air on inhaler, is it? A movie. So you are watching movie on the TV, watching the TV movies, is it? So you should be careful, because the lights, the flash, those colorful flash will be attack on your eyes. Is it continuous? You are watching the TV, it will be effect on your eyes, is it? So you should be careful. Think of that things before you can catch them, is it? I hope you understood. Next, there is a lots of things to throw and catch. Good luck your whole life through with all the things in life you catch and all life throws at you. So children, in the whole life, in our whole life, in our whole life through, there is a lot of things we will throw and catch in our life, is it? So you should be careful. So throw the useless things. It means bad impressions, throw them and catch them which are useful to in your life. See, that is the meaning of this poem. So there is a lot of things in your life you will catch and you will throw. So be careful, and also good luck, my dear students. I hope you understood this poem. So children, what we learn from this poem? Do you know? What is the theme of this poem? Here you can see all things are valuable in our life, is it? So God will give us many things on through the life, whole through the life, is it? So we should be carefully use them and give the value of them. That is the meaning of this poem. I hope it is clear. Okay. Now take down the homework. Write the poem and meaning of new words in English notebook one time and read the poem. Okay children? So we will meet in the next video with new lesson. Till then, goodbye. Thank you, my dear students.